Hello students, good morning to you all. Myself Arpita Pandey, teacher of Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar. My dear children, now today we are going to start second part of chapter 4. Let's start the topic cotton. So cotton is obtained from cotton plant. From where we obtain cotton? Cotton is obtained from cotton plant, and as we know that cotton is one of the most and important part of our life. Why? Because people like to use cotton clothes during summer season. Which type of clothes people like to use more in summer season? So people like to use only cotton clothes during summer season. Why? Because as we know that cotton cloth absorbs weight and people feel comfortable while using this cotton cloths during summer season, because cotton is a natural fiber. What? Cotton is a natural fiber, and we know that the fiber that is obtained from plant or animal, that is called a natural fiber, and the fiber that is obtained from man, it means that is made in factories by using different types of chemicals, that are called synthetic fiber. So cotton is a natural fiber and people like to use cotton, and they also absorb sweat. And one thing more children, just you should know that cotton plant grow best in black soil. It means which soil is best for growing cotton plants. So which soil? It means black soil is best for growing cotton plant. Now next, this one being. So the plant begin to grow up within a few months after planting, and when the flower fall off, seeds, spots grow and become green fruits called the cotton capsules, or you can also say balls. It means you can also say cotton capsules, and in second word you can say cotton balls. So what is the definition of this spinning? It means spinning process. What is this definition? The process of separation of cotton fiber from seed, that is called this one, spinning. Now the next, what is spinning process? Spinning process is what? The process of transforming cotton fiber into yarn or a thread, that is called spinning. And the cotton fiber go through various stages. It means the cotton fiber grow through various stages in preparation for spinning, and it involves drawing out short fiber from the mast of cotton by twisting them together. What? Twisting them together into a long continuous thread. And there is a three method by which spinning can be done. Spinning can be done by charkha, second one is takli, and that is machine. So what is the three process? The first, it can be done, let's see how, by charkhas, CH. Now the second point, how it can be done, hand spindle, means takli you can also say, and what? Hand. Third point you can say here, it means hand spindle. So by charkha, by takli, and by hand spindle. Okay. Now weaving. What is the weaving process? This process. What is weaving process? So weaving is basically the interlacing of two sets of thread yarn to make a fabric, and the wrap are drawn tight in a parallel order, webs interlaced at a right angle to each other, and weaving is carried out machine, that is called loom. What? Machine, that is called a loom. It means there is two type of loom, hand loom and power loom. So hand loom is a what that can be done with the help of our hand, and power loom, how? With the help of machine. So now the next, what? Jute. Jute is also a plant. It means jute is one of the cheapest natural fiber after cotton. After cotton, this one, after cotton, jute is the one of the cheapest natural fiber, and jute fibers are obtained from the stem of jute plant. What? Stem of jute plant. Jute is cultivated on small farm using traditional method. What? Using traditional method in the Ganges and the valley of Bangladesh and which Sundarban Delta in India. And we also know that the stem of jute plant is covered with a thick bark that contains that of fiber, and it is a soft shiny fiber that can be spun into the strong thread. So what? Jute is the one of the cheapest natural fiber after cotton. After this cotton, jute is the what? One of the cheapest natural fiber, and jute fiber are obtained from what? From where? Jute fibers are obtained from the stem of jute plant. With jute of, yeah, and jute is cultivated where? In small farm using traditional method. Okay. Now next, this topic, some more natural fiber. Yes students, just you can see wire, flax, hemp, and silk cotton. These all are also some natural fiber. So what is this coir? It means it is a coarse and soft fiber obtained from outer shell of coconut. It is obtained from outer shell of coconut, and coir is extracted from the tissue surrounding the seed of the coconut palm, which is grown on land throughout the tropics. It means coconut trees, coir rope, and coir doormat. This can be what we can use to prepare this type of things. Now the flax. It means what? It is a fiber that is obtained from stem of flax plant. It is the name of a plant, and this fiber are woven to produce a fabric called nylon, and they are also used to produce good quality paper. Now the next, hemp. These all are the example of natural fiber. Yes students, I have written some more natural fiber. These are the example of fiber. Which fiber? Natural, not synthetic fiber. Natural fiber. Now hemp. It is also natural fiber obtained from the hemp stalk, and it is extremely durable. Can be used in the production of textile, clothing, ropes, paper, construction material. Hemp is used. Now silk. What silk? You know that silk is obtained from silkworm, and silk cotton is too much expensive, and silk cotton trees is a type of native cotton, and it is a natural fiber that is obtained from what? Silkworm. What? That is obtained from silkworm. So silk is a very expensive fiber, and silk cotton is a what tree? Is a type of native cotton tree with a large red flower, and silk cotton is another natural fiber. What? It is commonly used for stuffing pillows, mattresses, and it can also be spoon. Okay, silk is also a animal fiber. What? Silk is an animal protein fiber which is produced by certain insect when they build their cocoons. And one thing left here, students. Next is also a wool. What? Wool. It means wool is obtained from the hair of sheep. As we know that wool is obtained from the hair of sheep and some of the animals such as goat, yak, and the hair of sheep has many unique properties that are used to prepare different types of things. And what is shearing? Removing of hair from sheep is known as shearing. Okay children, now the synthetic fiber we have to discuss in the next video about what is synthetic fiber.